everyone, myself Sukhada Suresh Rao Jadhav and I am a 2-year classroom student of RCC. My father is a farmer by profession and my mother is a housewife. So when I just completed my 10th, I was seeking advice that where should I take my NEET coaching from. So some of my seniors advised me to join RCC, and then by their advice I gave the exam of RCC set and I secured a scholarship of 50% in it. During my preparation journey, RCC teachers helped me very much. Whenever I used to face any difficulty or doubt in any of the subjects, then I would approach the considered teacher and they would resolve my query very fastly and very efficiently. Even when there were our last mock tests going on, so our time should not get wasted, so they had created a group of our AIMS batch students, and then we will ask our doubt in that group and they would in just few minutes would reply to our doubt and our query would be get resolved so quickly. So that has been very helpful in my preparation journey, and not only in my academic course, but whenever I used to score low marks in tests or I used to get demotivated, they used to tell me that tests are not your final marks, so you have to analyze them, you have to analyze your mistakes and then you have to work upon them, and automatically your score will increase. So I followed all the tips and tricks that they gave me and my result is what they have taught me, and today whatever my result is, it is because of the sum of their efforts that they have put into me. The day we take admission in RCC, we are provided with a couple of booklets for each subject like physics, chemistry and biology. So especially in case of physics, there are wide variety of questions, and we all know that reading NCERT is not everyone's cup of tea for physics. So the short notes which are given just before each chapter have been very helpful in my preparation, and I am really grateful for Team RCC for framing that kind of theoretical notes. So we can skip NCERT blindly, and that has helped very much in my preparation. And in case of chemistry also, the questions are very nice. There are wide variety of questions so that we can get hold of each topic very nicely. And in biology also, each question is framed from the line of NCERT. As we know, there are many miscellaneous lines in NCERT. As we know that there are very miscellaneous lines in the NCERT of biology, so the questions are framed in such a way that we would get hold of that miscellaneous lines very nicely. So that has helped me very much in my preparation, and I have solved RCC's modules for 3 to 4 times in my whole preparation journey, and they have been very helpful. I don't think there is a requirement of anything else if you solve RCC's booklets 3 to 4 times. So the framework of our test programs was like this. There would be a test on Sunday on current topics, and on Thursday there would be test on 3 previous topics, each chapter from physics, chemistry and biology. So we should get a complete hold on that chapter. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday there were working sessions for us, and each day each chapter was given a special emphasis. We would be given special DPPs on that. There would be a teacher available to resolve all our doubts, and then that program has also helped me very much in my preparation journey. So when our syllabus ended, there were a number of test series programs scheduled for us like Agnipath, Vijaypath. So the Vijaypath program was divided into 3 rounds, round 1, round 2 and round 3. In round 1 there were tests on particular chapters, and in round 2 there were unit wise tests, and in round 3 full syllabus mock tests were taken. So that tests have helped me very much because I could learn a wide variety of questions, and very conceptual questions were framed and put into it. In that mock test, all the questions were selected and were in a concise manner. And whenever I used to do mistakes, I would analyze by the solutions given in answer key of that particular question paper. So I used to learn from my mistakes, and I would make sure that I am not going to repeat it in the final exam. The questions which were asked in our mock test were very helpful for me, and I didn't find a single question in the final exam paper outside of that mock test. Throughout my preparation journey, respected Motegaonkar sir has motivated us a lot, and he has also guided us a lot. During the last stage of our preparation, he would share 15-day strategy, 2 to 3 day strategy, and that has been very helpful and motivating for me. I would like to thank him very much for doing that. And also in RCC's YouTube channels, in the last final days, they used to provide us with marathons for physics, chemistry and biology. So by that videos, we would get a quick recap and a concise revision of all the syllabus. So that has helped me very much in the last days of my preparation. Firstly, the credit of my success goes to my parents, because in every step of my preparation they have been there with me, and in my highs and lows they have motivated me a lot. Secondly, respected Motegaonkar sir has been a constant source of motivation for me, and all my teachers who have taught me in RCC have also played a great role in my success, and the RCC's management team has also played a great role in whatever I have achieved today. So I would like to thank all of them for being with me and supporting me throughout my preparation journey. Thank you Motegaonkar sir and thank you team RCC.
जपली उत्तम निकालाची कायम परंपरा, जपली उत्तम निकालाची कायम परंपरा. RCC म्हणजे युगानुयुगे उत्तुंग यशोधारा.